how to install and activate Raster Image Printer 12. When you purchase TIFF Image Printer 12, Raster Image Printer 12, or PDF Image Printer 12, the software download for your purchased copy and a serial number for version 12 will be delivered to your Peernet online account on the My Products tab. Select Download to download the purchased copy of your Raster Image Printer 12. Once the download is complete, double-click to run the software install. If you have previously installed the evaluation, the install will prompt you to uninstall the evaluation in order to install your purchased copy. Select Next to remove the evaluation version and replace it with your purchased copy. At the end of the installation process, you are given the option to launch the dashboard. This is the fastest way to proceed with activating your software. From the dashboard, select Activate Product. If you still have the evaluation version installed, this tile will say Purchase Product instead. If this is the case, you first need to download and install your purchase copy of the software. Enter the serial number you received with your purchase. This is available through your Peernet online account or on your order confirmation email. Also enter your user information. The name and organization information will be automatically picked up from your system settings when possible, although the information in the fields can be changed. You will also need to enter an email address. If you are using a computer that doesn't have internet access, you can enable I don't have an internet connection to activate manually. Follow the instructions on the subsequent screens to download a prod ID file, email it to peernet@peernet.com, and upload a returned prod authorization file. To continue activating online, click Next. If the product is successfully activated, the activation status will display your status as activated. If an error has occurred during activation, the activation status will display your status as failed with an explanation. If you need assistance activating your product, do not hesitate to contact Peernet support at peernet@peernet.com. Click the close icon in the bottom right-hand corner. The dashboard will update to provide your license information in the top left-hand corner, including your activation status and the number of days remaining in your subscription term. If you would like to create a personal profile, which is a group of settings that will create the output file you want, select Edit and Create Profiles. If you would like to create a copy of the printer, rename the printer, or change the default profile used by the printer, select Manage Printers. You can now proceed with printing your documents to your Raster Image Printer 12. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.